Okay, so this is an update for my RepRap Kossel Mini. Right now it's printing a model of Yoda that I found on Thingiverse. The link will be in the description. I'm printing in Prototype Supply Powder-Blue PLA. Again, the link's in the description. And so far, I really like this PLA. It's probably one of the best that I've found. The layer height in this print is set at 0.1 millimeters, and this was actually one of my first attempts at printing in such a fine resolution. And you'll be able to see towards the end of the video, but I think it turned out really well, and I'm pretty happy with the results so far. And here you can see the fan mount that I designed to fit with my hexagon hot end that I have on my printer right now. It covers pretty much the entire surface of the heatsink on the hot end, so it cools it down pretty effectively. And I've noticed a pretty significant increase in reliability since I installed it. I had been getting some heat creep issues, which is when the heat from the nozzle starts to move up higher and higher in the hot end, which can cause the filament to melt a bit prematurely, and it makes it nearly impossible for the extruder to keep feeding the filament since it gets soft. But since I installed the fan, I haven't really had any issues with this anymore, and I'm pretty happy with how that's working out too. And then here you can see the extruder mount that I designed. It's pretty simple, but I just really didn't like the original design for the extruder mount because it was just a small piece of plastic that let you zip tie the stepper motor to one of the upright beams. I was worried that it might twist the frame a little bit, so I came up with another mount that lets you set the motor in a cup that's attached to the bottom part of the frame, which is already pretty robust, so I don't really have any fear of it causing problems. Now it's starting to print some of the infill, which was, I believe, set at around 20%. Also, I wanted to test the speed of my printer a little bit on this print, so I set the infill at around 50 millimeters per second, which isn't really anything special, but it proves that my printer can handle these speeds even when it's printing at a really fine resolution. And here you can see that the video is fast forwarded a little bit because the print actually took around 3 hours to finish. Okay, so we're nearing the end here, and the print is really starting to take shape now. The fine resolution makes all the little details on Yoda's head very visible, and I think it looks pretty good too. In case you're interested in any of the parts that I've designed, I'll add links for them down below in the video description, so you could take a look or even print them for yourself. Alright, so the print's done now, and you can judge the quality for yourself, but I'm pretty happy with it. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching.